He's right-hander Kai-Wei Teng. And his first pitch tonight is at 6:46 p.m. Pacific time, and it misses low for ball one. With the 1-0 pitch on the way to Almora, who swings and fouls it back. The outfield left to Kai-Wei Teng making the spot start tonight as Mason Black was called up by the Giants. The pitch coming, and it's up and in. That was a slider that didn't slide back. Here's the pitch, and it is a slider. That's a strike this time. Kai-Wei threw the, and that was on Thursday. So these are back-to-back starts now for Kai-Wei as it's low and away. And it's 3 balls and 2 strikes, and Teng, Kai-Wei did not allow a hit. Pitch, a swing and a foul back. He gave up an unearned run. He walked 3. 3-2, and Almora swings and fouls it back. That was a slider. He hung with it. Again on the way from Teng to Almora. Here it is. And it's outside. He threw him a fastball, and he missed. And Almora draws a walk. That's how our ball game begins. Baseman man tight to the infield grass. The pitch is taken for a strike at the knees. The River Cats wearing a gold tower bridge on the front with the baseball flying underneath the bridge. The pitch, a swing and a miss on a slider down and in. And it's 0-2. The back of that top, a white number, is trimmed in red. A throw to first, and back standing goes Almora. In the 6 hole. The pitch, and a swing and a miss. And Teng gets him on an off-speed pitch away. The pitch registered as a changeup at 88. Weber down swinging, and that's the first out recorded in this ball game. It's a strikeout, and thus it's the first donation made to Courage House tonight, courtesy of Atlas Disposal. This season, for every River Cats strikeout, Atlas Disposal donating $3 to Courage House as they do their part to help strike out sex trafficking. That pitch is taken for a strike by Jorge Barosa. First being held by Ellis, the pitch, and it's taken for a strike, and Teng ahead 0-2. That was the pitch is outside, and it's 1 ball and 2 strikes. 8 of the 12 times this season. Pitch, a swing and a miss, and Teng sped him up with a fastball. So back-to-back Ks after the leadoff walk. And a good sign there from Teng after issuing that leadoff walk, getting the back-to-back strikeouts immediately thereafter. And now with 2 gone, here's Tristan English, who last night went 0 for 4. English hit into that weird double play that. The pitch, and English swings and misses through a slider. Basabe shading the middle. Throw to first, and lunging back goes Almora. Played in that prestigious Wood Bat League on the Cape. There's a swing and a miss. The 0-2 runner goes, and it's in the dirt. The throw down from Porter is late, as Almora has his 9th stolen base of the season. One with a feet-first slide. Teng's 1-2, a swing and a fly ball to the right side, slicing toward the sidewall, and it will be onto the grass berm. Here's the pitch. Swing and a miss. Teng got him on a slider to the inside. So Kai-Wei Teng walks Almora to start the ball game, and then struck out the next 3 batters in a row. And that pitch is taken outside, ball 1. Side. And the pitch is taken for a strike on the outside corner. Garcia in 2018 and 89 in 2019. Is swinging a fly ball one-handed to left field, but coming in and making the catch with a little hop at the end, Wade Meckler. It's out number 1 last night, so this is his first action of the series. And he takes that pitch for a strike on the outside. The series at Greater Nevada Field, the 0-1. Swing and a miss. There's that slider from Teng, and it's 0-2. Independence Eve extravaganza, long fireworks show after the game, the 0-2. And a swing and a miss, and Teng strikes out Pinto, and he made it look easy. Teng. And Vukovic takes a strike, and there's the fastball. And they'd like to see slider becomes even more devastating. The 0-1. Check swing on the slider, and he did not go, says Sean Sparling. The count to Vukovic. Basabe, the second baseman, playing up the middle. And that pitch outside, fastball, and it's that sun shadow line cutting right at the second base bag now, the pitch. And it's low and away, and 3-1. 3-1 pitch, and a swing and a miss. That was a fastball at 94, and a tardy cut. The pitch, a swing and a foul back. The pitch, A swing and a foul ball. Not quite toward that fan, but more back. The pitch. And strike three called. Tang landed a slider. And Kai Wei's got 5 strikeouts through 2 innings. Nothing a third. Zach Bayruti, glad to have you with us on this beautiful summer night in Sacramento. And that pitch, 5 of those 6. That pitch taken for a strike, and it's quickly 0-2 here to Tang has looked really sharp. That slider working. He's used the fastball effectively. The 0-2, a swing and a foul back to the screen. And right now, the 0-2 is in tight. Outfield straight away, and the 1-2, a swing and a miss. Tang struck him out, and that's half a dozen Ks for Kai Wei. That is a nasty, nasty pitch. Goodness gracious. It's almost unfair, the type of movement that Tang has on that wipeout. And a pitch, a swing and a foul tip squeezed by Porter. Kaiser, Tang delivers, and Kaiser takes high and wide. Picking the glove up just to be in a ready position. There's a swing and a miss, another slider from Tang. Could be both, bidding for his 7th strikeout. And a pitch, swing and a miss, he got him on the slider. 7 Ks in 2 2/3 innings for Kai Wei Tang. Another ridiculous slider. It's like Kai Wei's throwing wiffle balls. So here's Almora, and a swing and a ground ball to third, backhanded by Mann. He'll throw to first, and in plenty of time to get Almora. That ends another 1-2-3 inning worked by Kiter. Has been untouchable. The 1-1 is low and in. 2 balls and a strike. Tang walked Albert Almora Jr. to balls and a strike. And the pitch, a swing and a foul tip squeezed by Porter. There's the fastball. 2-2. Swing and a ground ball past the mound, but right to the shortstop Alcantara. He's got it and throws to first to get Weber for out number 1. The pitch, a swing and a ball slapped to the left side and through for a base hit. So there's the first hit for Reno tonight, and Barossa took it the opposite way. Rendered a hit. Here's the pitch, and a swing and a miss on a fastball at 94 just a moment ago. That pitch is low and away, and it's 1 ball and 1 strike. This innings, his last time out, did not allow a hit on the 26th. The swing and a miss. There's the slider, and it almost brought Tristan English. And a throw to first, and diving back goes Barossa. 1-2. Tang again throws to first, and an errant throw, and it caroms off the sidewall, and Barossa will hold it first. It caromed so hard off the sidewall. It got to Ellis so quickly that Barossa thought better about trying to advance. And Tang at second. 1-2, and a swing and a miss, and down on strikes, English. Throw to first, and diving back goes Barossa. A pitch taken for a strike down the middle. 0-1. A swing and a foul back to our right, and now 0-2. 0-2, a pitch out, nothing doing. The 1-2 is just wide with a fastball at 95. 2-2. A swing and a miss. Tang put him away with a fastball again at 95. And Tang has been starting pitchers have shined here today. In particular, that guy, Kai Wei Tang, who has struck out a season-high 9 through 4. Tang has dominated with the slider. He has located the fastball and gotten a ton of swing and miss. This is and it's on the way, and Pinto swings and cues it foul over by the first base on Phoenix, taking on the Diamondbacks. 0-1, and a swing and a miss, a slider down and away. The pitch, and it's outside. By the way, the Giants are leading 2-0 in that game. The pitch, a slider down and away, and Pinto lays off this offseason. Brings his pitch to Pinto, and a swing and a miss, and Tang put him away with a 95-mile-an-hour fastball, and that's 10 strikeouts for Kai-Wei Tang. A virtuoso performance tonight. Side, and the pitch, a swing and a pop-up that's going to get back out of play to our right. Porter giving it chase, but that's 0-1. A swing and a miss. There's the slider, and now 0-2. The game for the Emeralds. That pitch is up and away. A game on August 1st, 23 versus Reno. That is a swing and a miss. He tried to hold up and could not. A slide. Here's the pitch, and it is taken outside. The 1-0, a swing and a miss. High fastball, now 1-1. The 1-1 is taken for a strike on the outside, and now 1-2. It's on the way. Swing and a ground ball pulled to the third baseman man. He's got it. A throw to first, a bit wide, but stretching off the bag to handle it. Drew Ellis